23-piece high-quality medical dissection kit, which includes a free suture. This kit is a prerequisite for biology, anatomy, and veterinarian students, teachers, hobbyists, and surgeons. It contains all the instruments required for most biological or anatomical procedures. 4.5-inch iris scissors, 5.6-inch groove director, 5-inch straight-tip teasing needle, steel handle, 4-inch splinter tweezers forceps, curved, 4.5-inch splinter tweezers forceps, 5.5-inch operating scissors, the free suture needle in a poly bag. All comes in a very nice padded storage pouch for easy access and travel. 3-day shipping in the US. We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Return it within 14 days if you're not satisfied. No questions asked.